Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you the awesome 2019 Tesla Model X. But before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, onto the video. The big Tesla, the one that seats 7 and has every other firm on the planet that builds premium SUVs in a bit of a panic. Underneath, the architecture is similar to the Model S. Massive battery pack, electric motors, aluminium chassis. But all Model X are four-wheel drive, so have twin electric motors and one driving each axle. Tesla revamped the 2019 Model X lineup, dropping the familiar 75D, 100D, and P100D models, in favor of a simplified structure. The Model X comes equipped with a battery large enough to cover a claimed 325 miles driving range. A high-performance variant is also offered which comes with a 289 miles range and claims 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.5 seconds. Not quick enough for you? For $15,000 more, Tesla will unlock the Model X's Ludicrous model, which lowers the acceleration time to an incredible 2.8 seconds. A stark and nearly buttonless interior design is classic Tesla. A huge touchscreen infotainment system and faux leather wraps everything from the seats to the door panels. The Model X's unique windshield or glass roof runs seamlessly from the base of the hood up over the front seat passengers for a nearly uninterrupted view of what's ahead and what's above. Despite these whiz-bang features, the Model X's cabin leaves us wanting, especially considering its price can easily break the six-figure barrier. With nondescript air vents, misaligned panels, and flat back seats that don't offer enough adjustments. Most buyers are looking for more tech features than luxury though, and the Model X can be optioned with the feature that is possibly the most buzzworthy, autopilot. Tesla's semi-autonomous driving mode uses several cameras, multiple sensors, and radars to detect objects and other vehicles and uses them to steer the Model X down the road under its own power. The Model X also offers a summon feature that allows the users to park or retrieve the SUV from tight spots while standing outside. A features that seem gimmickly but prove necessary thanks to the silly top hinge doors. The Tesla Model X starts at $88,000. Though it started the year with a range of 270 miles, the estimate has since shrunk to 238 miles. However, you can upgrade the range to 295 miles for an extra $8,000 at the time of purchase.